Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Leah Tribe and channel. So this morning we're ending the Heroes of Faith weekend that we've been hosting at church. Friday night was Vespers in the sanctuary. Saturday was regular church Sabbath school, and then we went to Port Royal for lunch and AY. Well, motion by the ocean, yeah. And now we're going on a trip. Others are not here as yet, so we're going to say morning to everybody else. But we're going on a trip to Stony to have a cookout, and then we go to Reggae Falls to wet up ourselves. Yeah, so stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Yeah, I don't know if I will be going in the water, because I don't know me and water stay. But for the pictures and the videos, I'm definitely there. Okay, guys?
Yeah. Hi,
so,
morning.
Here is my mommy.
Good morning.
Anywhere I go, she goes. Here's Daddy. Yes, anywhere I go, he goes as well. I remember from the last one, though.
No.
From the first one, though. You know, because someone said falls, you don't remember. I will have Auntie Sandra over here, so she not come nowhere with it. She just stay at church. And we have a lovely lady around here. What's your name?
I'm Santia.
And Santia is coming with us today on the trippy. Azalea and Naraya, my two daughters.
Hello.
We have the lovely Anna. She's been sleeping. She must have reached too early, so she catch back her nap. So we have this lovely right here, Lori. So she'll be coming on the trippy with us as well.
You're going to river today. Go wash. I'm afraid of
We're going to another river.
So guys, we have arrived at Stony. Right? This is around green and nature and just beautiful. Alright? So I'm gonna take it. That's Vashti. Vashti and Papa E.T. Wave E.T. E.T. Feisty. So this is where we're at. Beautiful, ain't it?
So we're at Stony.
Yes, Vashti will give you the history. I don't do that section.
So here, this is where Paul Bogle led the Morant Bay Rebellion from, and they walk from here, go all the way out to the courthouse. We're gonna see where his monument is, because he's buried at National US Park, but they erected a monument here in honor of him and what he did for St. Thomas slaves.
So guys, if you want to read it, just pause the video so you can find out more details about it. You might eat him cupcake already, you know. You see how them ready to eat already? Yeah, you too. Hi Joel.
Hi.
Drinking his Paul Bogo juice.
I wanna make you smile.
So here we have the bridge. It's a beautiful bridge. I don't remember what this flowers is called. My God, man, we have it a country. We did have it. I know ginger lily. I saw?
Yeah.
I forgot to ask mommy.
I think so.
If I eat then, I know that.
Yeah, I think I ginger.
My brain not that bad. But I
If
love
you're
them,
wrong,
some
correct
of
me
them,
in the
man.
comments.
Yes, if I'm wrong, and tell me what it's called in your area, your country. So we'll have that, you know. And look at that big, a cocoa leaf that over there, sir?
No, sir.
That one there? That big bird something there?
You know, I think a cocoa leaf.
Guys, if you don't know what name, tell me. Nobody laugh at
And
me
what is that?
and
What
shame
is that?
me.
Pretty flowers there with the white. The red with the white blue.
But it look like that.
No, I know it.
But it just have some
Look
white
different.
something. See it there? What is that called? You see the red part with the white thing?
Ethan.
See it there? That's, hey, nature pretty, you know? But it's scary same time. Okay guys, so beautiful. We are just here to just relax and calm ourselves. You know? Everybody is not here as yet. Everyone is not here as yet. We're going up the step now. And that's Jacob. After in my video. Here we have a little streamish. It's not that clean, you know, because dirt is there. Say hi, Auntie Jody. Say hi, Jojo.
You need to be on this side.
That's right.
Yeah.
Jaden, say howdy. I drink your palbogo juice. And Tantan sit down like a big woman. You're just ready to eat and enjoy yourself, no? Your thing, Mama. And we have Lori again. That's all our maids. And here's my mommy once again.
And I went hunting banana flowers.
She going like she a Vietnamese. All she do is sit down and watch them and cook some nasty something.
to
Say hi, your sister, to eat your bun.
I went looking banana flowers to eat.
Nasty.
Yeah, man. Nice sister to you. When you cook me, I'm going to make you get some.
Sister T, make sure you want to eat it, yeah, yeah? Somebody have to live to tell the tale.
So you're not going dead.
May I look out for you. Have nice body, Alyssa. Yeah. And Nari again. And Azibu.
To develop.
Hey, I know.
Say your name.
Merry Christmas. If you're not here, you're missing out.
Tell
That's
them
something
again.
great.
Tell them again.
Yeah, me
It's
too.
beautiful.
Very.
So, I'm gonna show you guys. And the young people them over there, so. Again, what's Zion hide? Again. Every video you hide. I catch you already. Alright, bye guys.
Follow me on Instagram at Flowery.
We still look for you, Zion.
Okay.
So here. We were right at Ginger Lily. We're going to tea tree. It says Philip Daniel Bogle, grandson of Paul Bogle. So this is the monument. Remember, you know, it's not a history channel, so I don't know all the facts, right? I just show you over there, so you can enjoy the view with me as well, okay? That's right. Hey, I love them something, and just trees and nature, just calm, peace and quiet, yo. Sure. She's a hand there, guys.
Ethan, you ready to go to the river?
Ew. Ew, don't put that in your mouth.
Same. You eating cornbread and cheese?
So yes, man.
You and Grandpa? Can I have this? Oh, thank you. You eat it. So come.
Thank you.
I go for my biscuit. So come take your feet here. Alright. This is Auntie Judy who made this all possible.
My ginger tea. Ginger tea. The stones over there. It marked the ruin from the Baptist church that he led. So this is where he would meet with his people. This is where they actually organized the Morant Bay Rebellion.
Okay guys, so that's
So the
this
mark
area
here.
right here.
And go straight down to the Morant Bay courthouse.
Okay.
There, get up and right.
Okay. Mommy, no cocoa plant that. Alright guys, so me get the update. We were right, say. This is ginger lily. And over here, where we were looking at the white pretty one, Michael, he said it's wild ginger lily. So you have wild and you have tame. Live guys. walking in like them early. Cause them stop at Burger King. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine this? And everybody have a cup for themselves.
Of course.
I'm not see nothing for nobody else. What's she? What's she on here, so? Where's my own?
Hey, how you doing? I'm just
This is
coming
Casey
in.
vlog.
I'll see you guys
This
later.
is Casey. Snap your finger.
That's so easy.
Yeah.
Why did they even put in our clothes?
Button in your shirt.
Time is up, time is up. 2 starts.
Put it earth up your knee. Lick up your knee. Cut. Bucket toe. Okay.
Yeah, hold one foot.
No, exercise. Yo, exercise.
Jump on one foot. Cut. Broke foot.
Spider. These how are you guys thinking of these answers so fast?
Yeah, peel something.
Peel and a mango.
Banana.
Tangerine.
Pineapple.
Apple.
Tangerine.
Mango.
Tangerine.
What else you peel? Breadfruit.
Lemon.
Melon.
No.
Cantaloupe.
No.
I don't know.
Time is up. Potato.
Backside.
I want to play 2. 3. I want to play 2, guys. I can play 2. Okay.
Smell the flowers.
You're blind.
Smell food.
You think
Sleeping. Sleepwalking.
Something at school.
food, canteen. No, no.
You're checking out the food. No.
You're copying somebody's book.
Cheating.
You're copying. Teacher.
Check the book. Invigilate. Murder.
When are we going to go to the river?
I don't know. I do. Ask Auntie Judine.
Auntie Jenny just said if one more person asks her or not.
Nah. This picture is breathtaking. Very breathtaking.
Bro, I'm itching, like itching.
When are they a bush? What do you think? When are they?
Oh, like so I've been like scratching the same area for the longest, bro. Now,
A bush, when are they? I'm not gonna scratch and itch and everything. What? $2 bill. $2, $10.
Oh, how did that happen?
In the road. You see it?
Yay, flew.
If it never fly, you wouldn't see it.
None again. None yet.
Why do they always live on?
They don't live on the ground, they're drinking water.
Watch this plate. Yeah. As she get it. Guys, we ended up at License Beach instead of Reggae Falls due to some reasons I would never expect. So we're at License Beach right now.
Look at me! Look at me! Are you streaming again?
Video, my son. This is us, guys. So pretty.
Uncle Marius! Uncle Marius!
What happened to you? You alright?
I thought he was playing with my mom.
Ate that?
Clear me ears. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Leah, you don't reach it.
Can I try? How long? Oh, Nathaniel!
I will see. Which one?
Yes.
Smile, Daniel. Daniel, friend. Say hi, Pastor. Pastor, I'm not see a dip yet, you know, dip. Together, but we can't let go. No, 'cause we love each other so.